A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development for human rights in Central America, Cristosal, El Salvador's leading human rights organization, has announced its decision to leave the country due to escalating harassment and legal threats from President Nayib Buke's administration. The organization, established in 2000 by evangelical bishops to address human rights issues in the aftermath of El Salvador's brutal civil war, has been a vocal critic of Buke's government, particularly in relation to its controversial anti-gang policies and the treatment of Venezuelan deportees. Executive Director Nayib Buke expressed that the situation had reached a critical point, stating, "The clear targeting of our organization has made us choose between exile or prison." Buke's remarks come in the wake of an alarming trend of repression under Bukele, which has seen a wave of civil society leaders, professionals, and businessmen fleeing the country. Cristosal's departure marks a significant loss for the human rights landscape in El Salvador, as the organization has been instrumental in documenting abuses and supporting legal cases against arbitrary detentions and unlawful deportations. The organization quietly relocated 20 employees and their families to neighboring Guatemala and Honduras, fearing for their safety after the jailing of their top anti-corruption lawyer, Ruth López, on charges that they vehemently deny. López's court appearance in June, where she was shackled and escorted by police, was a turning point for Cristosal. "They're not going to silence me. I want a public trial," she declared, identifying herself as a political prisoner. The administration's recent enactment of a foreign agents law, which mirrors oppressive legislation in countries like Nicaragua and Russia, further complicates the landscape for dissenting voices in El Salvador. Buke has warned that this law could facilitate the criminalization of staff and economically cripple organizations reliant on foreign funding. The exodus of Cristosal underscores the alarming consolidation of power by Bukele, who has increasingly curtailed checks and balances within the government. Without the ability to operate within the country, Cristosal will face significant challenges in continuing its legal work and supporting those detained without access to due process. The situation remains fluid, and the implications of Cristosal's departure for the future of human rights in El Salvador are profound, raising concerns about the erosion of democratic principles and the safety of civil society in the region. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.